I am Mohan Nair AK, retired from Railways on 30th September 2010 as Assistant Operating Manager. I joined Railways in the year 1973 as a probationary assistant station master. 1973, precisely on March 19th, I joined at the Zonal Training School, Tiruchirappalli. From there, I started my journey in the Railways and completed 37 years and 6 months service. There had been periods of dullness, brightness, everything. Sad days, happy days, thrilling days, all type of experiences I could gain from Railways. And I am always thankful to Railways for making me what I am now. I could have been something else. It's not time for thinking like that. Currently, I am a very contented retired railwayman. There are a lot of problems in Railways. I too had a lot of obstacles. It was man-made. It was not the product of the system. The system was perfect. There had been people, evil elements, good elements, all type of elements were there. During the year 1972, I completed my degree and I had been trying for various jobs and I had been coaching my friends and my juniors for writing or appearing in this competitive examinations for various posts. In our place, it was a remote village in Kottayam district of Kerala. Kurupundra is the railway station and the place is Manyur. There is nothing famous from that village on those days, and I don't think even now it is changed. There's a famous temple now. No big people has born there. No great political leader has come out from there. It's a humble village. And we were all humble people, living with humble resources. And naturally, our knowledge of career also was very limited. An ordinary student like me, while attending classes, whether in school or college, the only purpose is to get a job either as a clerk or as a teacher. These were the two jobs which we could plan on those days. And I was not an exemption. I belong to a family of 7 children. Of them, I am the 5th. 2 boys and 5 ladies. 6 of us got government jobs. So naturally, my people expected me also to become a clerk. And it was ambition for my brother to make me a high secondary teacher. That is why the 5th man could go to college at the age of 14 past, maybe bit premature, without understanding the seriousness of studies. And naturally, on our days, in my village, studies was secondary. Any study. Even my college classes I could attend because there had been more number of new colleges during the year 1964. I had my matriculation in 65. In 64, a lot of new colleges started. That enabled me also to go to and attend college classes. I could not imagine of going to a class, college class, by staying in the hostel and studying. Our financial background was such. I would have waited for another 3 to 4 years for appearing for the Public Service Commission examination. Likewise, it would have gone. But anyway, I had a graduation in the year 1972, and always our attempt, our target was to get a government job. After my pre-degree, I spent 2 years expecting that I will be absorbed by the Indian Navy. I was selected, but the Navy was not magnanimous enough to absorb me, and that selection was cancelled. Thereby, I again landed in the college and continued my education. But by the time I became 2 years senior to my age, 2 years elder to my batchmates, and that maturity I had to show in my behavior with them. So I was conducting classes for my batchmates, friends, to attend, those who wanted to attend public service examination. It was the way of living in my place. During those days, I had been reading a lot. Rather than Malayalam literature, it was Bengali, Russian, French, and British literature, English literature. Of course, the Malayalam translations. Those days, a lot of translated books came in Malayalam. And we had a very equipped library near to our house. And I was able to get those days epics. And Sherlock Holmes was a very favorite writer for me. From Bengali, Vimal Mitra was another favorite writer. So I had a considerably better EQ. I do not know my IQ. My GK was very comfortable level. So I was able to pass. On those days, GK was very important for written examination, and my arithmetical knowledge also was comfortable. So I got selected in many cases, and my choice of joining in the service came railways because it reached me for the first. I think appointment orders were also in a race. And the railway order, it was not rather order, it was an offer of appointment that reached me first, and I took it. And I joined railways. I got the appointment order, if my memory is correct, on 10th March 1973. And I was having some agricultural work on my land, and I had to rush to get ready for joining at Palakkad Divisional, then Olavakkod Divisional Office, with all my certificates, and also be prepared to go to Tiruchirappalli if found medically fit was the condition in the offer of appointment. So with that, I reached Olavakkod on 14th March evening, and my place was rather beyond Ernakulam to Koilon, to Trivandrum, it was meter gauge. So from my place, I came to Ernakulam by meter gauge train. I changed over to broad gauge, and that took me to Palakkad in the evening. There was a railway employee from my place who was working in Ernakulam as a commercial clerk. We were with him. I was with him for the day. I had a friend also with me, on Mr. George. So we had our lunch, etc. at Ernakulam, and after that only if I remember correctly, by 2 o'clock, 2:30, we left Ernakulam by the Nagaland Express and landed Olavakkod, the current day Palakkad Junction station.